This is the first layer or the bottom layer. This is the middle layer or the second layer. This is the third or top layer. The centerpiece has one color, the edge piece has two colors, and the corner piece has three colors. Normally, white opposite is yellow, red opposite is orange, and green opposite is blue. If by accident you misplace the centerpiece, then it's impossible to solve the Rubik's Cube. In a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, there's 12 edge pieces. 4 at the top layer, 4 at the middle layer, 4 at the bottom layer. In a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, there's 8 corner pieces. The top layer or the bottom layer. Hold the cube like this. Step 1, up. Step 2, down. Repeat with the other hand. Step 1, up. Step 2, down. Step 3, inside. Repeat with the other hand. Inside. Step 4, repeat the same with the bottom layer. Inside, inside. Step 5, rotate the front. Repeat the same with the other hand. With these 5 steps combination, even a 5-year-old can solve a Rubik's Cube easily. Let's solve the first layer. I'm going to start with solving white. To make the white plus with the matching centerpiece. To make a white plus, face the yellow. Now we need to find white edge piece like this. If it's in the middle layer, you just move up. The other edge piece is here. Bring it to the middle layer by rotating the front. Now it's easy to bring it up, but if you bring it up, the other piece will go away. We free the space by moving it away. Now we can move it up. Let's find another edge piece. It's in the bottom layer. We need to bring it to the middle layer by rotating front. Now it's in the main layer and also the space is empty, so just move it up. The final piece is here. Before moving up, free the space. Now rotate up 2 times. 1, 2. Now the plus is ready, ignore the corner piece. Now we need to match the center. Move the sides until it matches. Once it matches the center, go to the side and move it 2 times to white. 1, 2. Face yellow and match the other colors. Match found, go to the side and move down 2 times. 1, 2. Another one got matched, go to the side and move down 2 times. 1, 2. Match the center for the last white edge piece. Here. Go to the side, move it down 2 times. Now white plus is ready with the matching centers. Now we need to do the corner pieces. Face yellow again and find a corner piece with white on it. This corner piece is with white. Look at the other colors as well, green and red. We need to find where to go with green and red center. We need to move it to the matching center. Green and red. Now it's in the correct location with the matching centers. The 4 important moves. Up, side, down, with the other hand, side. It's not solved. Repeat this until it gets solved. Up, side, down, side. Repeat. Up, side, down, side. Oh, it's done. Now find a corner piece with white on it. It has the blue and orange. Here it has red and green. We need to match the center with blue and orange. Move it until you find blue and orange. Blue and orange. Center is matched. Now repeat upside down side. Up, side, down, side. Up, side, down, side. Up, side, down, side. It got matched. Find another white corner piece. The centers doesn't match, so we need to find a matching center. It matches green and orange. Now we need to repeat up, side, down, side. Up, side, down, side. It didn't match. Up, side, down, side. It didn't match. Up, side, down, side. It matched. Now find the last corner piece. Here it is. It's not on the top layer, it's on the bottom layer. To bring it up, we need to repeat upside down side. Up, side, down, side. Now it is up. It matched the center. So repeat upside down side. Up, side, down, side. Up, side, down, side. Up, side, down, side. Up, side, down, side. Once we're done with all the corners, make sure these colors are also matched. Then we're done with first layer. Now the first layer is done. Practice this minimum 10 times. Now we need to solve the second layer. Now we need to use left hand. Hit the white. Up, side, down, side. We are done.